Good morning, friends. This week, with our unpredictable vowel teams, we are working on EA. Remember, when it means unpredictable, there are multiple sounds that this vowel team can make. This week, we're going to practice two sounds for EA, the long E sound, E, and the short E sound, E. So when I'm looking at a long word that I need to break apart to decode easier, the first step that I do is what? I hope you just said underline the vowels because you are right. Underline my vowels. When I have a vowel team, remember, they get one underline because they're going to make one sound together. Since I have two vowels essentially underlined, that means I'm probably going to have two syllables. When I look at this pattern here, I have a vowel, consonant, and then this counts again as one vowel. V, C, V. And many sessions ago, you might remember when we have V, C, V pattern, the most likely place that we are going to split our syllables is right before our consonant. So that's just where I'm going to split my syllables first. I'm going to start sounding out my word. And remember, if it becomes something that I don't think is a real word, I can always flex my vowels and I can move my syllable line if I need to. But this gives me a good place to start. So my first syllable is an open syllable. It ends with a vowel. So this is going to say its long name. And you might already be looking at this and saying, that's the word B. Okay, and that's exactly what this syllable says, B. In my second syllable, I have my vowel team, which might say E or E, and I have a digraph. Remember that TH works together to make one sound. Eth, neath, f, neth. Now, neither one of those made this syllable a real word. So what I need to do is blend each of those together with my first syllable to see if I actually have a real word. Beneath, beneath. Well, I know I've heard the word beneath before. So I bet this is supposed to make its long sound so that it is beneath. Okay? Let's look at a second example. First thing that we're going to do is underline our vowels. Here's our EA vowel team, and here is the letter U. Okay? I have V for vowel. I have a consonant, and a vowel. You might remember from past sessions again that when we have V, C, C, V, we typically split our syllables right between our two consonants. Now, you might have also been able to look at this and say, well, I know FUL is a suffix we've been studying and reading, and suffixes, just like prefixes at the beginning of words, form their own syllable. Okay, so this is probably going to be its own syllable. So let's go ahead and start sounding it out and seeing if we can decode a real word. Okay, eed, dreed. Doesn't sound like anything I've heard before. Ed, dread. So now I have dreadful. And that is a word that I've heard before, which tells me that I have my vowels sounding correctly and I have my syllables split in the right spot.